Welcome everybody to another Scratch tutorial. In the last tutorial, we covered movement for our tunnel, and it makes this sweet effect where our tunnel just glides around the screen. Now, wouldn't it be nice if our tunnel could actually cover the entire screen? That would be pretty nice. So, we can do this in our set values block. So what we want to do is find the distance between a diagonal line across the screen, so minus 240, 180, which is the top left of the screen, then 240 and minus 180. Which is the bottom right of the screen. So we're finding a diagonal line by the screen. Now, before we continue on with that script, we can get rid of this because it's now going to be set automatically. So, grab a set num rings block. Now, divided by the ring thickness, you want to drag a minus operator. You want to do distance minus the whole radius. Now, as you can see, your tunnel covers the entire screen. And that just looks better. And it's got a really nice effect like that. So, anyways, yeah, that's cool. But I sort of want our tunnel to be smooth because so far all it's doing is having a brightness effect and changing colors. I want it to be smooth. So in our draw tunnel block, I want to set radius to the whole radius plus, oh, and by the way, I know that whole radius is 0. This is a number that you can change. It won't exactly affect the tunnel in so many ways. Anyways, back to this. Whole radius plus, grab a mod block. You want to do, you want to do tunnel index mod ring thickness. This means that it will be going out every ring because we're waiting until tunnel index is equal to the ring thickness. And the ring thickness is the size of the pen, remember that. So when tunnel index gets to ring thickness, this means it has gone up a ring. So we go down and create a new one, and this makes a smooth effect. As you can see, it has that nice smooth effect to it. There's a hole in the middle, but that can easily be fixed just by going to your backdrop, convert to bitmap, select the fill option, get black, and then fill your entire screen. And as you can see, your tunnel is good. See, you have your blackish ring in the center. Yeah, so if you change the whole radius, then you can see the hole a lot larger. Because all of the rings will be larger and all it shows is black, which helps the whole radius. Anyways, now that we've got that done, we want to make the brightness smooth because our new algorithm does not fit with the brightness. So back in set pen, we need to get a brightness algorithm. Take index out and replace it with a plus. Put an index on the left side like that. Now you'd think it would simply be tunnel index mod ring thickness, but it's not. Drag a divide. You want to actually divide this by ring thickness. And this is how you make the brightness smooth. See, now it's got that smooth effect to it. So our tunnel now covers the entire screen, and we can have it be smooth, and it looks pretty neat, to be honest. Now this is actually basically our second to final part. In the next part, we're going to actually be making it so that it really looks like you're going into a tunnel. And you can have it go backwards. What's really surprising is that we didn't use a variable in today's episode. Well, I mean, we didn't make a variable. But still, our tunnel is going really nicely. We're technically on our second to last part. Part 6 will basically just be explaining what we've done and how this code works in case you weren't listening. You could end at part 5 if you want. But anyways, yeah, this is the end of part 4. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. I will see you in the next tutorial. Peace.